Hey guys, what's up? Do you want to know how to allow Instagram access to your camera and microphone? In this video, I'll go through the step-by-step process of allowing Instagram permission so that you can stay connected with those closest to you. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, you simply have to open up your phone settings. After that, you have to scroll down a little bit and you will see the option named as apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you'll tap on that, here it will show you some of the recent apps. So simply tap on see all apps. Once you'll tap on that, here all of your apps will be given. So from these you have to simply search for Instagram. Once you find that, go ahead and tap on that. After that, it will open up the Instagram information page. From this page, the second option is of permissions, so simply tap on that. Now as you guys can see that there are two sections, allowed and not allowed. So right now camera and microphone access are not allowed, so in order to allow these two access, simply tap on them, and after that it will give you two different options: allow while using the app and ask every time. You can select any of the option according to your preference. I am selecting the first one and then doing the exact same process for the second one. And after that, as you guys can see that they have been come to allowed section, and now Instagram can access your phone camera and microphone. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.